Which animal can regrow lost limbs? Snake, cat, sea star, eagle. Correct answer, sea star. Which gas do plants take from the air for photosynthesis? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen. Correct answer, carbon dioxide. Which human-made object is currently the farthest from Earth? New Horizons, Pioneer 10, Voyager 1, Voyager 2. Correct answer, Voyager 1.